So just about 6 months ago, I posted a video on this channel saying that I was going to be running a Kickstarter. And that was before a lot of stuff had happened in the world that has drastically changed how we approach things like how all these boxes are gonna go. But this feels so good. This is the first wave shipment of the Dual Vault Kickstarter. 99 individual orders comprising 142 boxes and 11 dice sets, 2 of which people only got the dice. This has been a monumental effort over the last month or so, and there's more to come with the Master Wave, which is in progress as we speak. There's actually one running on the CNC right now, and the second wave, which is another order about this size that comes out in 2 months. I wasn't originally expecting to really hit the deadline, like exactly, for my fulfillment. I built myself in a lot of buffer that I could do this with a lot of peace of mind. But between delays from my wood vendor and the global pandemic, which has really thrown a wrench in just a couple things, we hit our deadline within about a week. This video is being recorded on Wednesday, the 4th, I believe. I'm not 100% sure what day it is, but Wednesday of the week that this got uploaded, whatever day that happened to be. So within 6 or 7 days of the original fulfillment timeline, these boxes are all going out. By the time this video posts, I will probably, or will be going tomorrow morning to the post office, depending on quite a few different factors, to put all these boxes in the mail. Postage is paid, they're ready to go, and I'm so excited that people are finally gonna start getting their Dual Vaults, and we're gonna be seeing pictures on Instagram and reviews coming in. I've tried to get some extra ones ready so that I could have listings on the site, even if they're not available for purchase, so people could leave reviews, but that felt inappropriate. And I wanted to make sure that instead of getting ones that were marked up for the actual store, that I was making everybody's vaults for the Kickstarter, which is why that has been the priority. I have to say, I've learned a lot. And there's gonna be full post-mortem videos on everything over the next couple weeks. I also have a video on making a new set of dice, just as something to break it up, so not everything is CNC and woodworking, and I know that you all miss dice videos here on the channel. I also have a video on the mass production process. Well, mass production for one person. More like small scale manufacturing for actual product design. I have a video on doing that and how I came up with things from inception of this idea through prototyping to fulfillment, and how I got here, and how I'm going to be continuing working over the next couple weeks and months to get the Master Wave and the second wave fulfilled and ready to go. I'm just gushing. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm super excited that this day has finally come and that I hit it with moderate success. I am pretty pleased, and I can't wait to hear from people that these are going out. I know focusing entirely on the Kickstarter has caused the YouTube channel to kind of go quiet. I posted a video about a month ago. I have 2, kind of 3 in the pipeline that I could get recorded here, but every waking moment that I've had available time has been in the shop, making sure these boxes are all filled with smaller, fancier boxes that are going out to their new owners. So this video is primarily a Kickstarter update, but also I couldn't resist this shot. This just feels so cool and powerful and amazing and exciting. So this is partially to get this picture as well. Until next time, everybody, just thank you for supporting the channel here. In the time between the last video got uploaded and now, we crossed 800 and 900 subscribers. We're on our way to 1,000, which is one of the gateways to be able to actually monetize the channel and to be able to have it continue to grow and get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. There's some ideas I have on how to get it the rest of the way, but I'm just super excited. If you want to follow me on Twitter, you can follow my personal Twitter account at Lagundo, or you can follow the Maker account for all of this stuff at Loot Tables. I post basically YouTube behind the scenes, my opinions on video games, news, politics, my view on the world, all on my personal one, and the businessy one is obviously a little bit more businessy. I'm just really blown away by the support of this, and the fact that this is only about half of all of the Kickstarter makes it even more. I cannot wait to see how people react to this. Thank you all for basically changing my life. It means so much. And I can't wait to see what our next adventure will be now that this one is starting to come to a close. I already have an idea. Till next time, everybody, my name is Michael. I like to make stuff. Thank you so much for watching, for supporting the Kickstarter and everything that we're doing here on YouTube. Be good to each other, and I'll see you next time.